We're going to show you how to cook your Thanksgiving turkey in a digital control Alto-Shaam Cook and Hold. Power on, set your holding at 160, cooking at 250, set your probe to 140, then we can push one of the buttons to have it pre-programmed, and now our unit is preheated. When we are ready to load the turkey, the only thing we need to do is insert the probe, and then we'll push the start button. Since our oven is preheated, we are ready to load our turkey. We're in. Take our sanitized probe, insert it on the thigh, and we push the start button. There we are the next day on our oven. Turkey done, holding hot. Beautiful. There is a beautiful Thanksgiving turkey.